Follow these steps carefully and your connection should become much more stable. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type View Network Connections. Click on it. Now find your network adapter. Double-click it. Click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Click on Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the following: Preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, Alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. Click OK. Step 2. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type the following command: ipconfig /flush DNS. Press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Finally, restart your computer. Once your PC boots back up, launch the game and check your connection. Your lag and packet burst issues should now be fixed.